Hi guys, some of you might remember last year I had the AZDOME 4K Dashcam, and the same company reached out again and sent me their new M05 OLED Dashcam. So this retails for $79.99 on Amazon. There's a £5 voucher option at the bottom at checkout if you want to enable that. So this has an OLED screen. That's a 1080p Full HD Dashcam with GPS tracker and also driver fatigue alert. Owner's manual. These things. These are brilliant. They stick on your windscreen and the Dashcam sticks to that. So it's not leaving any sticky residue or having to use suction cups or 3M stickers that get stuck on there forever. They're very good. Micro USB cable to power the device. Oh, you get some 3M stickers with it. Whether that's optional or not, we'll soon find out when I get the camera out. Some cable clips there, and a sort of a pry tool, and the really important part, adapter to USB. You get two as well, so you can maybe charge your smartphone, which I will be using in my car. Let's have a look at the camera itself then. Okay, so this is the camera. Have a little close look here. The lens itself is rotatable, so it can rotate. So a good few selection of angles there. So at the side of the device, that is a little hole. That's for a microphone, or that is the microphone. On the other side, we have a huge power button, a micro SD card slot, and a micro USB port for powering the device. At the bottom there, that is a connection for an optional rear camera, which you can purchase for this device. Now on the back here, this slides off, and I believe that is the GPS tracker. That slips straight back on there. Like so. And that is pretty much it. And then obviously you have the OLED display. So these 3M stickers, you do have to use them. The 3M sticker will go onto the top of the camera. Okay, that's on. Then when you're ready to peel off the 3M sticker and stick it within that dotted line, the squares there, and that will just stick straight into the windscreen. So I'll quickly show you how to pop this on then. Peel the 3M sticker off. Then stick that straight into that square, straight as possible if I can. Yeah. So that's stuck. You can peel this protective film off. Like that. This is what you got, and it should stick against the window. Let's have a look. Position it about there. So there is a closer look, guys. That is not going to go anywhere. Obviously position the camera lens as well and adjust that when you've applied power to the device. You can remove it fairly easy. Yeah. And then should be able to reapply it. So it looks straight. That looks better for me anyway. Yeah, that's cool. And that protects your windscreen really. You're not going to have any sticky residue or anything like that. And that is safe and secure. So I've just applied some power to it and still got the protective cover on there. But that OLED display looks superb. It's really, really sharp. You can also see the green indicator there. I believe that is the GPS, which is on and active. You've also got speed there as well. So let me test it. Go back a bit. Oh.
That's far too big to come on site, isn't it?
Yeah.
And swing round there.
Was it delivering food then, or what?
Yeah, I said to them, they normally stop over there. And just, do you know what I mean? Offload the truck.
Yeah, lazy, isn't it?
Oh, do they?
Cheers.
On to be talking all about the FA Cup final, which she is a big part of, and also delivering the latest facts from the facts controller. All of that with Annie after 8, and plus
Radio 1 Breakfast
with Greg James. Speaking of football, coming up, I've got Gary.
Let's check out night vision. Let's check out the night vision then on this. Okay, so you've seen the footage from the M05, produces some good quality video, especially in daylight. The nighttime mode is okay. It's not the best. You definitely need a well-lit area to make better use of the night vision. But overall quality is pretty good. There is one little bit of footage that I have missed out, and that is this. This was the parking mode, which records for 30 seconds and then turns itself off if it notices any bangs or knocks, and obviously you can adjust the settings within the app for sensitivity. So yeah, the camera really easy to install, some good quality video. I mean, one of the main selling points is this OLED display, which does look really, really good. It's nice and shiny, glossy. So the digital display, it's got the date, the time, parking mode enabled there, the G sensor, no SD card, it's got a little cross through that, it's got the battery indicator, and below that the green GPS signal. So I've got full GPS, 0 miles per hour at the moment, as you see in the video. It does clock your miles per hour, and it's pretty accurate when comparing it to the speedo on my car as well. You just touch the bottom, and along the bottom we have stop, camera mode. That's because I've got no SD card in at the moment. You have the lock button there, so you can lock certain files, but the settings is where you're going to be doing lots of stuff. And it's really, really easy, so intuitive. So the first setting here is obviously resolution and the frames per second. You just click them once to change them, so that's 720p, 1296 and 1080. Record audio on and off. Exposure. Frequency, the top left hand corner there, it tells you what it is. File duration, so I've got it on 3-minute loops, so it records for 3 minutes and then a new recording starts. Language selection, it's got lots of languages. Go to the next page. So G sensor, low, middle, high, off. Default settings. Parking mode on or off. So that's what I had on today testing it. SD card, you can format it by clicking again, but I don't want to do that because there's no SD card in there anyway. Middle volume, low, high, off. Clock settings as well. Next page, auto display off. I'll get that off because I like the display on, although it could be a distraction to some people. You can have the display to come off after 1 minute, 2 or 3 minutes. Firmware version. Told you the firmware version. Easy. Also fatigue warning. So I think after an hour of driving, it will warn you maybe to take a rest, something like that. Didn't really use that to be honest, but it is set to an hour. Format SD warn. 30 days, 60 days or off, or 15 days. GPS on or off, really simple. GPS status, there we go, look. So at the minute obviously we're indoors, so the signal's not going to be as great indoors than it is outdoors, but you can have latitude and longitude as well, and obviously your speed. And then GMT, so this is the time zone you can set. 1 FPS can be on or off. SD card info, nothing in there. And lastly, miles per hour or kilometers per hour. And that is it. Go back, and you're back to the main display. So you can turn the microphone on or off on there, so it's not going to capture any audio. Obviously that button there will start recording. That will take a picture if you've got an SD card in there. That will lock it, and that one there you can have a look through your video files when you have an SD card in there. Really, really easy, guys. Guys, it is a smart dash cam. Well designed, looks really, really good. Display is definitely the standout feature. Nice and glossy, sharp, vivid. GPS is a great feature as well. Well designed, easy to install and easy to remove. I've removed the 3M sticker from there to apply, ready to apply a new one, and that magical plastic sheeting as well you get, which is so easy to install. So this is on Amazon at the moment, guys. I think you can get a little bit of money off as well. I think there's a coupon in the description below if you want to take a look. But this is the AZDOME M05 Dashcam. If there are any questions, please comment below. I'll answer them as best as I can. But till then, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.